I like the ukulele because it is a small musical instrument. Well, I've been playing for about 2.5 years. When I was about 18 years old, I learned to play the classical guitar for a very short period, and then it went on to strumming. But after that, I stopped playing for 40 years. I have been learning from Daniel close to 2 years. I first got to know Daniel through my friend Sook Ying. We know each other from our BSF classes about maybe 8 years ago, and we found common interest, and we also found that we were from the same university class very long ago. But nevertheless, we had a very similar background. Then we started doing Daniel's class together. He is very knowledgeable about playing the ukulele, from basic theory to playing complex songs. Thoroughly competent and very professional. And he seems to know every kind of song, any genre, even Chinese song, Japanese song also can. So it's like we can throw everything at him. He still can play, sometimes impromptu. Yeah, his teaching did help me in my growth in playing ukulele. First, he taught me from elementary theory. From there, how chords are made, it's a collection of notes and not just a shape. In general, I learned a lot of basic theory, like the key in F, key in C, learn to read the solfege, basic stuff lah, but it really helps to understand the song better. I started from the Bishan CC class in the elementary class, and then went on to online Zoom because of the COVID situation.
Basically, you just keep practicing this one.
First of all, the physical classes in Bishan CC, I usually sit right at the back, not say right at the back, but maybe middle, so I don't see the board that clearly. Then the Zoom class, surprisingly, was doable because you can zoom in on the teacher, by pin Daniel, so I can see him as clearly like in class. Yeah, and I don't need to travel to the CC.
Other song, maybe. I see trees.
In the Strum and Pluck class, I got to learn different styles of strumming and plucking, which I really enjoy. We found that there are benefits in different type of classes. We learned in various ways. My friend Sook Ying and I actually have this common interest. We went to the elementary class, and then the Strum and Pluck. We had this small private class because we wanted to revise certain songs which we couldn't master. So we had a few weeks of a private small class, which I find to be very helpful because as we review the songs, we were able to ask a lot of questions on the spot, and Daniel is able to correct us in technique and knowledge immediately. So the learning process is really quick.
Yes.
Let's say the nasi war.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Is that 16?
16-bit is like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the Very good. Very good. Well done, two of you. Wow.
For me, it's just learning to, to play songs on the ukulele, and to enjoy the music lah, as I play the songs. Basically, like music. So it's been a very pleasant journey learning from Daniel so far.